Welcome to the channel, Dolanchik. If you're new to the channel, I'm happy you are here. And Happy New Year! Normally on this channel, I cook Uyghur food. But today, we are going to do something different. We are going to learn the top 5 Uyghur words and phrases at the table. Number 1. Qani marhamat. Qani marhamat. It's like in French, bon appétit. In English, enjoy your meal. And in Dutch, eet smakelijk. As a host, when you bring the food to the table and share it with your guests, you're going to say this phrase. Qani marhamat. Number 2. Rahmat. Rahmat. I think you already know this word because I used this word already in previous video a couple of times. It's like in French, merci, in Dutch, dank u wel, and in English, thank you. Rahmat. Number 3. Oxyapto. Oxyapto. It's like in French. Actually, I can speak French. I can speak English and Dutch and Uyghur, of course, Uyghur language. In Dutch, we say it like lekker or heerlijk. And in English, it means delicious. Oxyapto. Number 4. Yak boldi. Yak boldi. It means in English, no, that's enough, that's good. In Dutch, it's like, nee, dat is goed, het is genoeg. And you can also repeat that word boldi. So, yak, boldi, boldi. And yak means also no. Yak, boldi. Number 5. Do you like the tea? Ha. Ha. It means yes. It sounds maybe not respectful in some cultures when you say ha, such as Dutch, but it's very common in our Uyghur language if you say ha. Ha. That's it for today in this special episode. If you like this video or if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. And see you next week. Bye! And one more word in Uyghur. Khois. Bye!